Somebody decided to sneak out with snow on its front end. Man, I got that stuff with that dad now with the snow on the front. Look at that, he is covered. Damn. He went through some heavy snow then. And you can tell the snow was blowing this way. He went through. Oh, he still came in. Damn. Oh, I'm gonna get that top. Hey, this boy's covered in snow. I kept wondering, I was like, what is that all the way up? Yeah, I thought it was AC track. Then I was like, oh, it's 50. I mean, 42D. 348 is net 32D. He's got icicles surfing off the damn track. Yeah, he's fully loaded. Chattanooga must have been snowing. No, not Chattanooga. This train came from New York. Probably Indiana. How did it say on this? Oh, okay, it's cold as hell. What damn sure to do stay with this? Oh, 736 left. Oh, that's why he was behind him. Oh, 236 got held up by 736, right? The snow is melting. That's a rare, you know. Dang, 348 is hard. You only got 2 inches. You don't need a large when he had wall pass. He was large when he had wall pass. I'm picking that speed too. The other 48. It won't carry. 3 minutes in the I got to edit the rain. And we're getting 2 trains at once. That's rare right there. You remember the last time I rail fed Howell, last November, I got that 3-way meet here with G676, EO28, and 283. This is crazy right here. This is crazy right here. There's big time. 348, that's ridiculous. I'm gonna get the tops on it. Let snow. Oh, he has to get out of the way from 282. Oh, damn. What they have a running meet? 282 is going to be on track. Somebody just said you look good. Maybe 36 met something. I want to try that. I just want that. No, that's all the hell I want to do. Hell yeah. That's it. I ain't going to do no more. I'm going to do more. I want this. I want to be hungry. That's no. Okay, I'm going to get home. I don't even like the grill, really.
That big Johnny came from the north. There, do you have it? 42D.
Yep.
Covered in snow. I don't know where he came from.
Wherever he came from, he was definitely from the north.
Look at his in-train device. Got snow all over that.
231.
231 coming now.
That's who met 736 this spring.